Take a close look at yourself and I would want you to answer a few questions for me, okay? Does your basic body design resemble your parents' body? Do you have 2 eyes, 2 hands and 2 feet? Well, I'm sure you do. Being the child of 2 human beings, you're bound to be a human. Now, what is this similarity called? It is called as the basic structure of the human body. Every offspring of a particular species will resemble the parents in its basic body structure. When I say basic body structure, what do I mean? The body design includes the eyes, nose, hands and feet and other basic body organs. Let us understand this better with an example. This is a baby of a particular species. Can you help me find its parent? Is this the mother and father of the baby? No. What about these? Are these the parents? Not quite similar though. How about these? Yes, the baby bird looks exactly like these 2 individuals. What helped you identify the parents of this offspring? This is a baby bird and it looks like the mother and father bird. Just like the parents, it has 2 wings, similar eyes, the beak and even the body shape. These external characteristics enabled us to identify the baby as the offspring of these 2 individuals. It is just the way nature works. A baby looks just like its parents. This is called as the basic body design. However, a closer look would make you realize that the baby shares a few distinct characteristics with that of the mother while a few of the father. This usually happens in sexual reproduction when there are 2 parents involved in reproduction. In asexual reproduction, the offspring looks exactly like the parent. A baby hydra looks exactly like the parent hydra. When do subtle changes take place in asexual reproduction? That only happens when there are some unforeseen genetic changes while the DNA is being replicated. Only slight glitches in the biochemical process can lead to subtle changes in the baby organism. In sexual reproduction, however, this is not the case. Let us look at a baby of 2 humans. The baby has got eyes like that of its mother, while the color of the hair is that of its father. These are called as traits which are passed from one generation to the next. So in reproduction, the body design remains the same, but there may be specific traits inherited by different organisms from the parent. Let us look at this idea of traits in a little more detail. What are traits exactly? Have you heard people say the child has curly hair just like his mother? Or the baby has blue eyes of the father? Well, these are called characteristics and they differ from one human to another. That is why, though we have the same body design, we all don't look the same. Imagine the world to be full of humans who looked alike, we would never be able to tell one from the other. And I am sure we would have a tough time finding our own family members. This transfer of the basic body design and specific traits that make us unique individuals is called as heredity. Now we know the basics of heredity, but this concept isn't as easy as it seems. We have so much to learn about it in our further videos.